How is VPSA oxygen plant applied to the oxygen-rich bottom-blow furnace smelting of industrial silicon? Industrial silicon, also known as silicon metal, is a product smelted from silica and carbonaceous reducing agents in a submerged arc furnace. It can be used as an alloying agent for silicon steel, a deoxidizer for smelting special steels and non-iron-based alloys, a raw material for organic silicon, polycrystalline silicon and monocrystalline silicon. Its main component is silicon, while the rest are impurities such as iron, aluminum, calcium, etc., which will seriously undermine the performance, utilization and value of industrial silicon. Thus, controlling the impurity content to improve the purity of industrial silicon is the focus of industrial silicon production. Out-of-furnace refining is required to improve the quality of industrial silicon products. The traditional refining process is chlorination refining, that is, injecting chlorine gas into the silicon melt. Chlorine gas introduced into the molten silicon can make the tiny slag particles in silicon gather into larger ones under the effect of new phase bubbles to separate them. Among the impurities, calcium is extremely easy to chlorinate, while iron and aluminum are not easy to generate chlorides, so the result is not effective. In addition, due to the fact that emissions of chlorinated refining are toxic and harmful, the process is gradually replaced by oxygen-rich bottom-blow smelting. Oxidation refining is carried out by selective oxidation, which is an oxidation reaction of impurity elements in the industrial silicon melt based on their oxygen affinity from the largest to the smallest. In the process, the calcium in industrial silicon can be reduced to less than 0.05% and the aluminum to less than 0.3%. And the longer the blowing duration, the higher the rate of decalcification and dealumination, which also means the better the product quality. PKU Pioneer, as the world's largest supplier of VPSA and PSA oxygen plants, has built more than 400 oxygen production projects worldwide. Over the past 25 years, its VPSA oxygen generation technology has been continuously optimized and upgraded, and the comprehensive power consumption and operating costs have been continuously reduced, with the advantages of stable oxygen production, high turndown ratios, rapid startup and shutdown, safe operation at normal temperature and pressure, short delivery period and small footprint. Its oxygen units are suitable for refining systems of high-purity silicon for chemical reactions and solar-level silicon to improve product quality, reduce refining costs and enhance market competitiveness.